Hey guys, so I just wanted to film a little tutorial on this look that I did right here. I'm obsessed with this look lately ever since I did like the angel look. I have been obsessed with this makeup and I just decided to kind of change up the lipstick that I used. But anyways, I just wanted to make this tutorial because of how obsessed I've been with this look. And I also wanted to just show you guys like my hair and how pretty it looks lately. And I'm just obsessed with these products I've been using. They've been helping my hair so much and I'm so grateful for it because my hair was looking real sad. I really needed some hair help and now it's so much healthier and I'm so grateful for that and I'm so grateful for these products. So anyways, I just wanted to do this little video. I wanted to intro it real quick, so let's just get on into the look. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just put my hair up. For primer, I'm using my Smashbox Primerizer. I'm going to be filling in my brows with my Tarte brow pencil. Now I'm just setting my brows with my Anastasia Brow Gel. Now I'm just going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I am obsessed with this. It's amazing. It's such good coverage. I'm obsessed. Now I'm just going to go in with my James Charles palette. I'm just going to use the shade Punch Me in my crease, and then I'm using the shade Ring Light in my inner corner. Now I'm just going to go in with one of my favorite liquid liners, the Kai liner. I am obsessed with this eyeliner. It's literally my favorite. I love it so much. I'm just going to set my face with this Tarte Smooth Operator powder. Now I'm going in with my favorite bronzer by Kylie Cosmetics. It is the Toasty Bronzer. Now I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics Kitten Baby Blush, and this is just such a cute pop of like peach. Now I'm just going in with my Mila Cosmetics Starlight Highlighter. I am obsessed with her makeup products, so guys, you definitely need to check them out. For lipstick, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Coconut. I'm obsessed with this shade. It's so pretty. For mascara, I'm just going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And of course, I have to go in with my favorite Paris lashes from Sumptuous Beauty. So now I'm just going to curl my hair with this EV Beauty wand, which I love. It's my favorite wand. And this is the finished look. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!